One coordinated authority means faster, better flood response.
Smart planning builds flood-resilient cities.
Upgrading urban drainage is the first step to flood resilience. Protecting lakes and wetlands helps cities breathe and manage floods naturally.
Permeable surfaces reduce waterlogging and recharge groundwater.
Separating sewage from stormwater keeps cities clean during rains.
Regular maintenance prevents urban flooding disasters.
Smart technology and community action keep cities safe from floods.